Hey guys, welcome to hashtag Straight Poop. Hey, I'm making a sockeye salmon dish. I got broccoli, stem mushrooms, green onions. I'm adding some soy sauce. Yeah, man, this is a good dish. Nice and simple. And my friend who went to Alaska gave me another package of sockeye. So I'm bringing that to you. Now, I'm adding some teaspoon roasted ginger, teaspoon garlic, okay. Now I'm adding more liquid so my garlic doesn't burn, and I'm lowering the fire. There we go. My veggies are cooked. I want my broccoli. I didn't microwave it, didn't steam it. Like my broccoli. Just warmed through, maybe tossed a few minutes. Okay. Pushing that to the side. I got some sockeye salmon fillets, fresh from Alaska. And I think I made a dish with this maybe around Super Bowl time. I did a spread like for crackers and stuff like that, I think, with this fish as well. And it was delicious. And by the views, the retention value, man, you guys watched it and stuck with it. Okay. I'm getting my veggies off, okay? I'm gonna take my veggies, they're about cooked. And I'm putting it on the same platter. There we go. Yeah. And it's a non-stick pan, so it's not gonna stick. No. Since I have soy, I'm not adding any salt to this. None. I think it's gonna have enough salt and beautiful. The skin on this is delectable. That's exactly how you want it. Yeah. Oh, I left a button mushroom. I mean a stem mushroom behind. Can I do a Benihana? Let's see. Without it going on the floor. Yes! Oh! Yeah, you know, Benihana, where the guys, they take it and they go, hey, I did it! Great. All right. So, watch this. As I pointed out before, this part here is opaque. I'm giving this a couple more seconds, and that's all it's going to need. Okay? Of course, the veggies were fried in cannabis oil, and there was a knob of butter, cannabis butter. Don't use too much butter in my arsenal. Let's see. I'm going to flip these one more time. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto. And I guarantee you, this fish will not be dry. I don't cook. I don't grill. I don't fry. I don't saute. Quick fry fish. That's dry. I'll give it another douse just to kind of act like a glaze because it is a hot pan and I do want that final flavor. I'm gonna try to dress this as best I can, but like I say, I'm not a food artist. Turning that off. Getting that there. Get some lemon on that veggie. Yeah. Man, that's beautiful, ain't it? How long did it take? 6 minutes. 6 minutes! And you got 3 beautiful sockeye salmon fillets on a bed of sauteed veggies. It's unreal, packed with flavor, done in cannabis oil and butter. Hey, go to the comment section, grab your free e-cookbook. It's at the top of the comments. There's a link, click it. You're gonna get 125 barbecue cannabis recipes. If we're not outside, we're cooking indoors like here. I'm not gonna skimp and shortchange you on the content. We're still cooking here with cannabis. So anyway, grab your free cookbook. My dogs, my Shelties love having you here. Sometimes they're rambunctious like yesterday. But anyway, if you're waiting for us, you're loafing! Hang loose.